Can you see now? Today we'll show you all the process. Okay, this is the company code. New company code I have created. See, we are having two asset class. Assume that one is furniture and one is machinery. Okay, I will take machinery. Enter. This is AS01. I will put some machinery, for example, generator 555 like that. Okay, generator 555. Okay, I will click this depreciation area. Okay, here I will give the depreciation key 10%, use of life for 1 year. Okay, period 01. Okay, start date. Okay, today's system date is 26th April. 26th April 2023. See, asset has been created successfully. Okay, this is the first step. First, we need to create one asset in AS01. After creating asset, what we need to do means we need to purchase this asset. How we will purchase this asset means /F-90. Okay, this is the T code. Okay, here I am purchasing the asset 23. Listing date 2006. Okay, 31 is vendor. One vendor is there. Okay, enter. I will put 10,000. Here I will put a purchase of generator. Okay, next that is credit. Okay, now debit will be 70. 70. Here all the assets will come. This is my generator 555. Here transaction type 100 we need to give. Enter. Same like 10,000 and text and save. First I have created one machinery. After that I have purchased that machinery from the vendor. Document number generate. Now I will go and check in the asset explorer. Okay, /n AW01N. This is the asset explorer where we will see all the details of the asset. Okay, if you see here, okay, see the acquisition value is 10,000. Acquisition value is nothing but a purchase value. Okay, okay, ordinary depreciation is 1,000 rupees. Okay, why 1,000 rupees means 10% depreciation. Okay, from 10,000, 10% depreciation means how much? 1,000 rupees. Okay, when you see it down, no, net book value will be how much? 9,000. Okay, means this 9,000 will be for next year, means next year for April. Okay, afterwards, if you see here posted values, if I click here, okay, here if you see means everything will be in plan like that. Okay, here first month it is not showing. Why? Because we need to run. Okay, see every month, see 1,000 rupees yearly means monthly how much? 83, no? 83. That's why it is showing 83, 83, 83, 83. This is the month, every month. Okay, here why it is showing 166 means out of both it is showing April plus May. Directly it is showing. In the system it is showing like that. This is the third month, 83, 83, 83, 80. Means in a company what they will do now, they need to run the depreciation on a monthly basis. They need to run the depreciation on a monthly basis. Why they will run the depreciation on monthly basis means to know the value of the accumulated depreciation of the asset. Okay, see if you didn't run the monthly depreciation, we don't know the value of the asset next month. What is the value? Okay, for example, if you want to sell the asset in May month, yeah, June month, yeah, July month, we need value, no? Correct, no? Okay, for that purpose, we need to run on a monthly basis. Okay, how we will run the depreciation means I will show this here. We will run AF AB. This is month end activity. Every month they will run here the depreciation run. Okay, here they will give the company code financial year. Okay, now this is April month. No, I will put 01. Okay, then what I will do? No, I will execute. Okay, sometime errors will come.
It's already
It's
clear.
already posted. Okay, now I will do to second month. See here the value will come. Okay, like that it will posted successful. Okay, first what I need to do means this is the front end run. Okay, first I need to do the front end run. After doing front end run, what I will do means I need to do the background. How we will do the background means I will remove this test run. Okay, I will
Okay.
go to program and execute in background
Background.
like this. Okay, here output device we will give LP01. Continue. Immediate check save. Okay, now I will go here. Okay, I will type another time /NAW01N. Now I will go and check in posted values. Okay, see if you see here means it is showing posted. Okay, like this it will show posted like that. Okay, planned means what is the meaning means we have not run the depreciation for the coming months. Okay, like that this is the proof what we have done for this one. Okay, after that what will happen now? Here it will show the accumulated depreciation value. See, this is the accumulated depreciation value, net book value. And afterwards, if you want to check any reports means /N AR01. Here we will go. Okay, here we will give machinery. Okay, and here we will execute. If you execute means see here it will give the asset number. Here the capitalization date. Okay, what asset? Okay, what is the acquisition value? What is the accumulated depreciation for the acquisition value? And what is the net book value? This is the full report will come in AR01 after running the depreciation everything. Now what they will do now after running the depreciation, if they want to sell this asset, they can sell. Okay, how they will sell means to customer they will sell the asset. Where they will sell means /N F-92. This is the T code. Okay, here what they will do now? They will go here and I will put the date. Here 01 debit. Debit means customer. Customer enter. Here I will put for example 12,000.
Okay.
Okay, here I will put sale of asset. Which asset I am selling? Generator. Generator 555. Okay, next here I will put credit as a 50. Here account, which account I need to put means sale of asset. Okay, here I will
Sale of
put
generic to 555 only.
no here which we are
Okay, okay.
which we are selling means that the GL we need to give.
Okay, fine.
Okay, after giving here asset retirement is here, no, this tab.
Okay.
Okay, this one we need to click here like this. After clicking here, if you click enter, no, here you need to select the asset. Okay, directly that generator we need to select here. Okay, and on which date we are doing means, for example, I'm putting today's date, 2023. Okay, here we need to put the complete retirement. Okay, continue. Okay, if you simulate means like this entry will generate back back. This is the full entry, debit, credit. Okay, all the things. 75 is credit. Okay, 40 is a debit, and everything will come. Okay, this is the customer. This is the sale of asset. This is the whole value, depreciation value. Okay, all the things. After which, if I post means what will happen? Document generate. Now, if I go and check in Asset Explorer slash and AW01N, if I go and check here, nothing will be there. Okay, why? Because I have sold the asset, no?
Yes.
Value has been gone. Now, if I go and check in posted values, everything will become 000 like that. Now, okay, if I go and check in the report also, AR01, nothing will be there. Why? Because I have sold the asset. Okay, if you want to check these values means slash and FBL3N. Here you can go. Okay, here, for example, first I will check for machinery. Execute. All the values will be stored in the some GL accounts. Twenty-six 4 2023. See, 10,000 value whatever I have purchased, no, it's stored in the GL account.
GL.
Okay, afterwards, if I want to see the sale of asset, no,
Mm.
see 12,000. It will show here in the GL account. 12 minus 12 is the sale of asset. Okay, and for how much I have sold 12,000, no? Okay, profit is how much? For example, 2,000, no? Okay, the
Yes.
GL is there, no? Profit on sale of asset.
Yes. Mm.
Okay, here the GL, see, 2,000 will come, 2,083 rupees. Here it will store. Okay, and what is the depreciation value for this means you can check in the depreciation. Okay, depreciation will be calculated on monthly basis means the last date of the month. Last date of the month means April, no? April means 30. For example, 30 for 2023. Okay, now if I click means this is my depreciation value, 83 rupees. Okay, and accumulated depreciation also the value will be available. If you see here, accumulated depreciation on machinery, see 83. All the what are the process we have done, no, everything will the value if they want to check means all the values will be stored in the GL accounts. This is the whole process of the asset accounting. Okay, first we need to
Yeah.
create the asset, afterwards we need to purchase the assets. Okay, after purchasing we need to run the depreciations on monthly basis. Okay, after running the monthly basis, if they want to sell the asset, they can sell with the profit or loss. Okay, if they sell with the profit means the value will be stored in the profit account. If they sell with loss means the value will be stored in a loss account like that. Okay, next one some theory part is there. Next week I will take some integration part,
Yeah.
FI and SD. Okay, that is small theory only, that how the flow will be there in FIMM and how the flow will be there in FISD integration. Like we'll call as a P2P and O2C. P2P means what? procure to pay. Okay, next O to C means order to cash.
Cash. Okay.
Okay, that flow how we will do in the finances, some one flow is there with the account entries that I will show you. Okay, as a
Okay.
theory part. Okay, ba.
Okay.
Hmm? Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Bye.
Thank you.
Yeah.